Hi everyone, thank you for joining me for another video. I really hope you enjoy it. This video is very different from what I normally make and it is sped up quite a lot. It is not a tutorial. So because we're all stuck inside and we can't really do much and it is Easter weekend, I thought I would try and make something a little bit fun and sort of a little game for you to play if you want. And the winner will win this steampunk keyring I'm making at the moment. So some games and films hide little images and stuff and they call these Easter eggs. So I thought it would be fun if we did the same thing. In this video and in my previous video, the giveaway one, which I will put a link in the description to, I have hidden little kitties. They pop up every now and then in the top left hand corner, which is your clue, and I'd like you to add them up. Please email me the amount from this video and the last video if you add them together and email it to me. I will put a link to that email in the description. I've set up a new email just specifically for this. I don't want anyone to write the answer in the comments just because I don't want to spoil it for other people that want to play the game as well. So if you could just write done in the comment section of this video and email me your answer, and then we will be picking a winner at random from the comment section, and then I will check the emails to make sure you've got the correct answer. Thank you. Full details of everything I've just said will be written in the description, so please check those over and make sure I've said everything correctly. Thank you. I hope this gives you something to do, take your mind off things for a little bit, and I hope you enjoy playing it either on your own or with some family in your household. Times are quite strange at the moment and quite scary sometimes, so if anyone ever needs to talk, please feel free to just private message me on Instagram or Facebook and I'll try and reply as soon as I can. You can also email me on my normal email as well if you'd prefer that. Take care and stay safe, everyone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the description for all the details, and good luck everyone. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.